Hello friends, I Dr. M.B. Tadwalkar am working as an associate professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication of Jayawantrao Sawant College of Engineering, Hadapsar, Pune. I am here to explain the hydraulic pumps and one of its type, the piston pumps. Basically, there are two types of the piston pumps. The first one is the axial piston pump and the second one is the radial piston pump. The axial piston pumps are subcategorized into two parts. One is the bent axis piston pump and the second one is the swash plate piston pump. The piston pumps are having many applications in the many areas. The hydraulic system of the jet aircraft is designed normally with the radial piston pumps. The hydraulic washers are designed with the axial piston pumps. These piston pumps are extensively used in the machine tools, for displacing the cutting emulsions, for the supply of the fluid to the hydraulic equipment like the cylinder actuators. These are used into the devices that are being used in the overload protection of the pressures in the test rigs. These particular piston pumps are extensively used in the automotive sectors like the automatic transmission, the hydraulic suspension controls in the upper car class, and the plastic and the powder injection molding. Let us now discuss the one particular type of the piston pump, that is the bent axis piston pump. In this particular diagram, you can see the bent axis having the motor attached to it, and the pistons are actually aligned parallelly to the axis of the cylinder, that is called as a cylinder block. The pistons are moving back and forth due to the rotation of the shaft, and when they are moving back and forth, they are causing the inlet of the fluid through the inlet pipe, and whenever the pistons are in the retract mode, the pistons are moved backward and the suction area will be developed with the negative pressure inside the cylinder column and causing the fluid rush inside. When the pistons are in the extend mode, they are causing the extension of the piston within the cylinder columns, discharging the fluid through the outlet pipe. The second type of the piston pump is the swash plate piston pump, in which the swash plate is actually attached to the pistons into the cylinder blocks through the springs. When the pistons are again in the retract mode, the suction area will be developed, due to which the fluid will be rushed inside the piston area, and when the pistons are into the extend mode, they are discharging the fluid with the high pressure through the outlet. So, the operation of these swash piston pumps are very similar to that of the bent axis piston pumps. The another type of the piston pump is the radial piston pump, in which the pistons are aligned radially, that means perpendicular to the axis of the rotating shaft. So, the cam is attached to the rotating shaft, which is moving eccentrically, and so because of that, whenever the cam is moving eccentrically within the pump area, due to that the pistons are moving back and forth and making the reciprocating action. So, whenever the pistons are in the retract mode, at that time the fluid will be sucked inside the piston area, and when the pistons are in the extension mode, they are discharging the fluid through the outlet. Number of such pistons are aligned radially into this particular hydraulic pump, and because of which they are extensively used into the hydraulic system of the jet aircraft. The radial piston pumps are producing the higher pressures, normally above 3000 bars. These are the references we are considering here for this particular topic. The students will learn after the end of this particular session about the piston pumps, their types, their operation and their applications. Thank you all.